I'm done. I know you want it, I know she really want it. Put your foot down on the gas, don't even think it got up on me. I said I'm on it, they know for sure I'm on it. They keep asking for a slice, see what you my bro, stop it. I'm a clean guy, but I like to get dirty. Ace that one time doing up birdie. I'ma make sure all of you heard me and show one damn so no mercy. I knew my thing from early, catch me in the bars and cuts like Jersey. Chips and chicken, call me no jerky, turkey teeth, they're coming up early. Man, I've just been on my journey. They asked me what I'll be in 10 years. That man there said not to worry, said that thing and I said that firmly. And none of your words could hurt me, double D, but it still come perky. Gotta be F, but still be flirting.
8 gimbal moves. That's all you need to turn any footage into a cinematic clip. I'm Sorin Ciceu, videographer, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use the Feiyu Scorp 3 to get shots that makes people stop scrolling. You don't need experience, you don't need expensive gear, you need the gimbal and 3 minutes. Let's get into it. The first move is the simplest one and probably the most used. You follow the subject from the front, from behind, or from the side. The gimbal does all the heavy lifting, you just move with them. Sound basic, but when it's exactly right, it looks professional instantly. Low angle. Now bring the camera as low as you can. One single angle completely changes the energy of a shot. Your subject looks stronger, more powerful and more present in the frame. Try this whenever you want to add weight to a moment. FPV spin. This is the shot that stops people mid-scrolling. You rotate the gimbal when moving toward your subject and you get the FPV effect. A little easing, a little cinematic and 100% effective. The Scorp 3 has a dedicated mode for this. You set it up straight from the menu in a few seconds. The running shot. It's simple. You run alongside your subject. Without a gimbal, that footage is unusable. With the gimbal, you get movement, energy and dynamics. Exactly what you need for a scene that feels alive. Track the move. Honestly, this might be my favorite move of them all. You follow one specific part of the body, a hand, a foot, a particular movement, and you move the gimbal in perfect sync with it. What you get is a detailed intention shot. You can feel that you knew exactly what you wanted to say. Reveal shot. You start with the camera low, pointing at the ground and slowly tilt up until your subject comes into frame. It's a classic reveal. You build tension without saying a single word and you reveal your subject at exactly the right moment. Works every single time. The orbit shot. You walk in a circle around your subject while keeping the camera locked on them the whole time. Looks complex, but with the Scorp 3 it's surprisingly easy to pull it off. One of the most cinematic things you can do with a gimbal. Before we get into the moves, bend your knees slightly, step heel first and slowly roll your toes. This absorbs the impact and keeps your shot smooth. It's called a ninja walk, and once you try it, you will never walk the same again. AI tracking and static shot. I'm putting these two together because they complement each other perfectly. The AI tracking on the Scorp 3 keeps your subject in frame automatically. You think about the movement and the gimbal takes care of the rest. And the static shot, locked off, no movement at all, it's sometimes the most powerful one of all. You let your subject feel the frame and you don't interfere with anything. So, these are the 8 moves I use with the Feiyu Scorp 3 and ones you can apply tomorrow with any subject in any single location. Pick one, go outside and shoot them all. That's it. Thanks for watching.